Oh, g'day gang. I'll tell you what, this is one that'll cock you over if you're not careful. Now, this thing had this is a Falcon. Let's see. It had a intermittent charging problem. We replaced the alternator, everything was good. I had the car here for a week till the guy came and picked it up. Started, drove it, beautiful, not a problem. And it came back in with no dash lights. And I'm thinking, what's going on? So we checked this main fusible link. This is 150 amp. See it, bud? 150 amp fusible link here. It's the main fuse that sort of goes through everything. And yeah, you can see it. You can see it. Now, what I can't see is solder. I just wrapped it around there, so it's obvious it's a permanent repair. Now I'm going to get one of those, and he'll be right, eh? Someone thought they'd fix it real good. Bastards. Okay, here's another one, look. This got serviced 500 kilometres ago. Nice. Guy got it serviced because he said it had an emiss in it. Well, that burned in long enough. Starting to leach through there. This one was finger tight. As you can see, there's all the compression come up through there. Wow, that might be why it's misfiring. Just had a service.